Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 and Windows 10 remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer. Find shell icons key available. If not available, create new key under Explorer named as shell icons. Create new string named as 29. Type %winder %system32 /shell32.dll, -50. Restart Windows Explorer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.